Hello everyone, my name is Sarika and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Ggetpath Consultants. Ggetpath Consultants is a recruitment firm that identifies right talent for the right job, catering to IT and non-IT at all levels in varied industries. We provide end-to-end IT services. We have an online shop wherein you can get wide range of best products. You can get the link in the description box below and order it for Rakhi, for festive season, for anything that you name, it will be there on the best available discounts. So visit there and enjoy shopping. Today I'm going to share one of the job opening with you all. This is for one of our client based at Noida location, Noida Sector 65. It's a startup firm. They are into mobile application development, web application development, practicing into iOS application, Android application, web development and all. Right. So there are multiple profiles that they are looking for. I'll share only one profile in this video to avoid any confusions. So this is for a PHP developer profile. They are looking for people who have a sound experience and knowledge of Laravel, CI, that is Codeigniter, Wordpress, API, hybrid, and they should stay somewhere near Noida Sector 65 only. The salary will be ranging from 15k to 25k. So hurry people, you can grab this opportunity. If you have all those skill set and have a good experience, grab this opportunity and join immediately. Drop in your CVs at sarika.getpath@gmail.com. You can get this email ID in the description box. Mention few things in the subject of your email. That is the profile that you are applying for, current salary, expected salary and your current location. And the notice period, how soon can you join. Alright, so stay blessed and all the best.